The Administrative Law and Human Rights section established the Paul Baker Award in 1998 to honour Paul Baker, the former chair of the Administrative Law and Human Rights section, who was a passionate lawyer. It recognises the significant achievement or outstanding contribution of an individual in the field of administrative or human rights law. It is selected by the Executive Committee of the Admin Law and Human Rights section, and the winner receives a $1,000 cash prize. And the winner of the Paul Baker Award this year is Dr. Helen Szoke, the Federal Race Discrimination Commissioner at the Australian Human Rights Commission. Dr. Helen Szoke was appointed Australia's full-time Race Discrimination Commissioner in September 2011 for a 5-year term. Prior to that, Dr. Szoke was the Commissioner at the Victorian Equal Opportunity and Human Rights Commission for 7 years. She made an outstanding contribution to human rights by championing the Charter of Human Rights and Responsibilities Act and pushed for reforms leading to the enactment of the Equal Opportunity Act. She was a member of Rob Huls's Human Rights Leadership Forum and spoke regularly at human rights events across Victoria. She is not able to be here today, but her very proud son, David Szoke Burke, will be accepting the award on her behalf.
Hi, my name is David Szoke Burke and I'm Helen Szoke's son. Helen is in Adelaide today and is unable to be here to accept this award. I'm speaking on her behalf and I'm reading, I promise, a very brief statement. She says, I quote, "I'm very proud to receive this award and to do so following in the steps of some of Victoria's most notable leaders in the human rights field. In my 6.5 years with the Victorian Equal Opportunity and Human Rights Commission, I have been afforded many opportunities to influence human rights outcomes at a systematic and individual level. I am both proud and grateful to have had the privilege of filling this role. Thank you to the Executive Committee of the Law Institute for this recognition. I want to take this time to commend the Law Institute for the critical and fearless role that they have played in ensuring that human rights protections in Victoria remain scrutinised and monitored, and to commend the LIV for their uncompromising leadership in this space. On a personal note, my family and I are extremely proud of everything that Mum does, particularly her work in this field, and we greatly appreciate this recognition of her efforts. Thank you.
Helen could have been here today accepting an award and a cheque for $1,000, but she's in Adelaide. Whew. It's not a great day. Next we have the Rogers Legal Writing Award, which commemorates Peter Rogers' contribution to the legal profession and is awarded to the most outstanding contribution to the Law Institute Journal for the previous financial year. The winning contribution is selected by the LIV's editorial committee and by the journal's editor. The committee also recognised the work of an additional author by presenting them with a highly commended acknowledgement. The winner receives a $1,000 cash prize, whilst the author who has been highly commended will receive $500. The recipient of the highly commended mention is Demetria Dubrow, a partner at Morris Blackburn. Demetria was highly commended for her article entitled "Loss of Chance in Medical Negligence," which appeared in the September 2010 edition of the Journal. It focused on the case of Tibet and Get, where the High Court of Australia ruled on the previously unsettled question of the availability of damages for the loss of a chance of a better outcome in medical negligence claims. She wasn't able to attend today, so we extend our congratulations to her. The winner of the Rogers Legal Writing Award is Paul Kallenbach, who wrote the article "Piracy Suit Sunk, the iiNet case," which appeared in the July 2010 edition of the Law Institute Journal. The article focused on a Federal Court of Australia decision that found mere provision of internet access by an internet service provider did not amount to authorisation of copyright infringement by its subscribers. Please, everyone, welcome Paul to the stage.
So I didn't prepare a speech. In fact, I sent an email off this morning asking if I had to say anything and didn't get a reply, so I assumed I could be silent. But thank you very much. I'm very honoured to receive the award. Actually brought back to me some words from my Year 10 English teacher, who I think has now passed away many years ago. I remember him saying to me one day that words are power, and the use of words are power. And I think words are the most powerful thing our profession has, and the way that we use them. So something certainly I've always enjoyed. So thank you again.